Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah.
No, good morning.
Yeah,
still.
20 to 12.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. Me and Sophie are saying bye to the hotel room.
Bye, hotel room.
It's been a pleasure. We absolutely 100% rate Doubletree 10 out of 10.
100%.
It has been so nice, like every aspect of it. Like the room's always
letting us check in early.
Yeah.
Cleaners are always coming.
Yeah, always
send them
coming.
away.
Because we wake up too late.
Breakfast was amazing.
Yeah, the room's been nice. No problems with the room at all. Like aircon's been nice when we've come back and it's been really hot.
Yeah, everything's just been great.
Good location, obviously, like opposite
Right
the XL.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're sad to be saying goodbye, but we've had a really nice time and it's been an affordable stay as well.
Yeah, as well.
Cheaper than the last place, and that was a nightmare. We had literally just a single room. Obviously this is a single room, but
in a
it was like a shared toilet, yeah, it was just horrible.
Go back to last year's Summer in the City vlogs.
Yeah, I'll put the last year's Summer in the City vlogs to see how tragic it was compared to this.
Yeah.
In terms of accommodation. But yeah, we've had a good time. It was really nice to spend time with Chloe as well. And yeah, we'll be heading back now. We're just going to check out and going to take some photos, like a few photos in this outfit that I wore yesterday. That's what I'm wearing, the same thing, by the way. Just thought there's some yellow bits and bobs outside, so I might as well try and utilise them before we go home.
Yeah.
Sad times.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
No, I don't want to go.
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo.
Right, so we're just here taking some pictures just outside the XL. There's lots of yellow going on here and Sophie's loving these lines for the symmetry. We're just about to head over to the water for some more pickies. So I'm finally home from London. Me and Sophie did take a few little pictures, a little bit of a shoot outside the XL because there's lots of like yellow things going on. And yeah, they've turned out really nice so far. Sophie said she's going to be editing them very soon. So obviously I'll be sharing them on my Instagram and my blog as soon as she's edited and sorted them all out. But yeah, she's amazing. So honestly, I've had a really good weekend with Sophie and she's so talented. So if you ever do need a photographer, whether you run a blog yourself and you want like professional fashion photos done for you, or even if you want like beauty ones, like Sophie will literally do anything. And if you just message her, she'll let you know on prices and everything. She's so affordable and talented, and honestly it's so worth the money if you do get in contact with her and have her as your photographer. She also does her main port of call is weddings, but obviously she's open to doing lots of different things. So yeah, definitely go give her a message. I'll leave everything down below. And also please go and check out Chloe because I spent quite a lot of the weekend with her and she's so lovely. She has a YouTube channel too called Anomalous Chloe. She creates travel videos, lifestyle videos, a bit of everything similar to me. So yeah, she's just graduated as well, so she has a few uni videos. So if you guys like my uni content, then you'll definitely like Chloe. Any other shout outs I want to do before I get on with what I'm gonna say? No, I just wanted to say thank you very much to Lucy Wood and Imogen for standing and having a chat with me for a bit. I just really love them two girls and I think they're very inspirational, very strong independent women, and I really love them for all that they stand for. I watched both watched panels where Lucy was in, and I also watched panels that panel that Imogen did, and I just really love listening to them speak and everything. So yeah, and also Jackmate was hilarious and he was just so honest about the whole relationship between creator and viewer and how he perceives it, and he was sort of like going in on the other people that were on the panel, which was kind of like awkward at times, but yeah, it did make me laugh, and he was just great and exactly the same as he is online. Obviously a bit toned down because he's not obviously like screaming about everywhere, but yeah, he was really lovely too, like to watch on the panel, and he was just very loved by people. He was standing talking to like fans for hours. But anyway, what I came on here to chat to you about is this. I've just come home and I've received this parcel from Benefit. I was absolutely buzzing when I've just opened this. Like, I opened the parcel bit and I was like, oh my god, because I've seen lots of my friends and other people who work with Benefit receive this little box. On the front, it's in like black and pink polka dots and it says, unleash your inner brow artist, hashtag like a pro. So it's in one of these little cases, and it's their new brow product. If you don't know, Benefit are like really famous for all of their brow products, and they're like the #1 brow brand of the UK. I am obsessed with Gimme Brow. That is like my go-to. I also really like Browsings. If you're into like wax formulas for brow products, that's really good too. And Highbrow as well. That pencil's really good for highlighting. But here we go. This is their new product. It's called Brow Contour Pro, and it's actually really funny because I just gave away, if you didn't know, a couple of videos ago, I'm doing like a university survival kit giveaway, and I included one of these Bic pens that were like literally iconic in my childhood, and Benefit have actually released one of the pens. Oh, my brother was being loud on the Xbox. But yeah, so literally these were iconic in my childhood, so I was buzzing that Benefit have taken this idea and like put a spin on it and made it into like a beauty product. I wanted to ask you guys whether you want to see this in a video, like me trying it out in a video, or would you prefer a blog post, or would you like me to do both? I'd be happy to do so, because I think this is going to be really interesting to try. It's very different, never seen anything like it before in the beauty world. So here we have it. This is the Brow Contour Pro. If you can see it here, and it has 4 little clicky shades, just like the little Bic pens. So we have a definer to like outline your brows. There is a lighter shade for the inner part of your brow, a deeper shade for the end part of your brow, and then there is a highlighter shade as well. So this is actually perfect, and you literally pop them down, and all these different, let me try and do this, but you literally pop one down and they come down like this, and then you like twist it to obviously get it out of the end. But honestly, I'm so excited about this, and I'm really grateful that Benefit have taken the time out of their day to package this up for me, considering I'm quite a small creator compared to all of the other like beauty people out there, and obviously my sole focus isn't beauty. So I really appreciate parcels like this, especially when they're out of the blue and I had no idea it was coming. I just feel really like happy, and I do feel so grateful that they have taken the time out of their day to send me one of these. Brow Contour Pro in this nice little pink packaging, and then at the bottom we have a brow blender. So they've sent me a little brush that's double-sided. It has like a little smudge blendy thing on one side and then a little spoolie on the other. So yeah, thank you very much to Benefit for sending over this little box. I am so excited to try it out. I think I'm going to either film or do a blog post 100%, so let me know if you want both or which one you'd prefer. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Unfortunately, I'm actually having to work this evening. I'm so drained from travelling because I've been travelling since 12 and it's now like 4 o'clock. So I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear, so I think I'm going to have a nap and then go to work. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I'm sorry it's a little bit shorter than usual, but I will be vlogging very soon because I've got a few more London trips planned with a couple friends. I've got an event coming up. I'm meeting one of my blogger friends in London who I've been friends with for years and who I met earlier on this year for the first time like properly in person. And yeah, I've just got a few more things coming up in August that I'm really excited to vlog, so I really hope you've been enjoying these weekend vlogs and all the uploads I've been doing. I think I've uploaded about 5 videos this weekend between my main and vlog channel, so I hope you have enjoyed like the intense content that I've been throwing out, and fingers crossed my main channel will keep going as well. I've got a lot of things planned. If you've been seeing my Instagram, you'll know that I'm planning on doing body confidence videos this week. I'm going to sit down and talk about how I feel now about my body and how I used to despise my body and how I've learnt to love it. I just want to spread this positive love about our bodies, and I feel like the belief that you have to be conventionally pretty to succeed in the world needs to be destroyed, because it's absolutely bullshit. There is no one who is perfect. Like, we all have flaws, but we're all beautiful in our own way. And I know that's so cliche, but I've literally learned so much from this weekend that it's so important to spread this love about our bodies, and I'm really excited to get that going on my main channel. I'm also planning on doing videos about sex, relationships, things that are really intense and taboo that not a lot of YouTubers talk about. I am so open, like I'm literally one of the most open people I know myself. I like always am happy to talk about how I'm feeling, what's going on, and things like that. So let me know if there's any specific topics you do want to see. I've got a few really good ones. I actually got one the other day, thank you to whoever commented, but someone said talking about like death and bereavement, because obviously I'm working in the forensics industry at the minute. Like, I'm doing my degree on forensic science, if any of you are new. So it'll be really interesting to talk about like death, bereavement and grieving and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a great topic that I want to talk about. And yeah, I just want to get chatting about real life things that we need to talk about more in the open, and hopefully we can start something positive and a good community. I'd really love that. Hit thumbs up if you enjoyed these weekend vlogs. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new vlog. Bye!